Classes for your lady parts?
Yes, it is what you think. Hey everyone, it's Dr. Bong from Radiance PT, and today we're going to talk about vaginal support options. If you are an active woman who struggled with prolapse or bladder leaks, a pessary may have been an option presented to you to do alongside pelvic floor physical therapy. So what exactly is a pessary? A pessary is a medical device that's worn internally to give support to your pelvic organs or to help support the bladder if you're dealing with leakage. And pessaries are an amazing option to do alongside of pelvic floor PT to help allow your body to feel its best as you stay active, lifting weights and running. A great way to think about pelvic organ support with using a pessary is considering how we use glasses to support our vision. Everybody needs eye surgery. Not everybody wants eye surgery, but glasses or contacts are a really great option to help you see better so you can navigate life without falling down and crashing into things. 50% of women will experience pelvic organ prolapse in their lifetime. A common sign of this is pelvic pressure, heaviness. Sometimes it's from childbirth, sometimes it's from chronic constipation, sometimes it's from chronic coughing if you have a condition like asthma, sometimes it's from habitual weightlifting, like if you have a job where you do heavy manual lifting every day. And for some people, the symptoms are noticeable during the aging process. This exercise band represents the fascia support, the ball represents our pelvic organs, and this blue chair represents our pelvic floor. The pelvic organs get most of their support from the fascia and connective tissue surrounding your pelvis. Now, as we age, the connections get a little saggy. So just like people get wrinkles in their face, we can get wrinkles in our vagina. And it's important to have good pelvic floor support from below for that aging process when things start to change in their support. Pessaries come in because they're an amazing option to give some support to the organs below, allowing you to live your life, stay active, keep lifting, not have bothersome symptoms, or maybe if you want to consider surgery, you have an opportunity to put it off for a little bit longer. The great news about pessaries is that they come in so many different sizes and a lot of different styles depending on what your anatomy needs. And I think this is really cool that women have more options to have internal support, especially if you're trying to stay active and you're younger and you don't want surgery. One of the ways that a pessary can give you support is by taking up space in the vaginal area. And this is an example of a cube. So you can see that it compresses and it has like a little bit of a natural suction to help support the pelvic organs. This is an example of a ring. Now this is from a 3D printer, so you can tell that it's not really bendable, but a ring also helps support your pelvic organs, being supported by, if you have good pelvic floor muscle. To use a cube or a ring pessary, at Radiance, we would go through a special fitting process to understand the size of your vaginal space, what kind of pelvic floor support you have, and to see which one is the best fit. That's all I've got for you today. Let me know what questions